Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the timeline and how to move inside the program overall. So first of all, name our first project, first project, and click on start. So first of all, you need to check if you have the playlist right here on the left side of your interface. So if you do not see the playlist right here, you can go to view and layout and click on editing. So this will set up the program for editing, or you can also click on playlist. So if we delete that and click it back, okay, so we have our playlist back. But yeah, now we can start with the actual video. So you can import your clips to work on. So choose your clips and drag them with the left mouse button, and this will add your files. So we have 6 video, and now we are going to work with them. So on your left you'll have all the clips you want to work with, and on the right there's the clip viewer or the project view. So here we have source and project. So source is just the clip you're working on right now. So if we click on this one, it will show the snowy church one. If we click on this will show this one as well. So while on the project section, it will show the overall project. So this will show the clips in the exact order as they are shown in the playlist as well. So if we, for example, so we can see that the first one is this one. So if we change the position of these two, for example, and we place the first one as a second, we can see that now the first one is the snowy church one. So we can start working on the video right now. So you can import the first clip by either by dragging it from the playlist on the timeline. So okay, here we have it. You can go to source and choose your clip and drag it straight from the clip viewer. So as we can see, okay, so here we have the second clip. So let's drag every clip into the project, into the timeline. So with this you can zoom out and zoom in to the timeline. So let's click this one and drag the other clips in as well. So okay, so let's do a zoom out. Okay, so let's say that we want to make our first cut. So as we can see, this clip is too long, and so let's make a cut right in like there. So let's say we want this clip to last I don't know, 20 seconds or so, even less actually. So let's go to this clip and yeah, I think that 20 seconds is like okay. So as you can see, we have the time on the top of the clips. So this one starts like at 56 seconds. So I don't know, let's make a cut on 1 minute and 6. So let's make it last like 10 seconds. We can do it in 2 ways. So first of all, drag your bar whatever you want to make the cut, and you can make it by pressing this button right there, so split at playhead, or you can click S. So let's click S, and as you can see, this will split your clip in half, not half, but in 2 clips, wherever you place your bar. So now that we have the cut, to delete this clip you can press Ctrl X. So this will bring every clip that was before the one we deleted, and we'll place it on the start of the clip that we deleted. So we don't have to drag every clip to the end of this one. So let's do it also with this one. So let's go to like, I don't know, 25 seconds, yeah, and let's press S, and then again, wait, hold on a second, my CPU is suffering right now. Okay, and press Ctrl X. So yes, maybe we want a shorter video, so let's delete some clips. I don't want this one. Yeah, I think, yeah, let's make it last less than 1 minute. So let's take the bar right there and press X and delete everything that's after 1 minute. So Ctrl X, and here you have a 1 minute long video. Another thing you can do to shorten a clip is to go at the end of the clip, and whenever you see this red bar, you click with the left button, with the left mouse button, and drag the bar wherever you like. So if you want to shorten the clip, you can drag it to the left, as I'm doing right now. So but then you will have to you will have to select the other two clips that were at the end and drag them manually to the end of this one. So let's do it, and as you can see, it will like snap at the end. So okay, now we have our video. Another thing you can do if you do not want to like do cuts on the clip on the timeline, you can do it before you import them in the timeline. So for example, we have this video right there of the sea. So if you don't want to drag the clip on the timeline, then make the cuts and blah blah blah, you can easily drag these little like arrows whatever you want the clip to start, and same with this one. This will be the end of the clip. So let's say we want just, I don't know, 6 seconds of clips. So yeah, and then you can just be sure to be on source, because on project this will not work. So we are on source. Select your clip and then drag it, and we will have our 6 seconds clip. And again, to save more time, you can do that with shortcuts. So let's say that, so let's bring it back to how it was. Yes, so let's say that you're playing the clip and you want with a shortcut cut the video. Like for example, you're here and as you're playing, you want to cut right there, but you don't want to like pause and do every step. You can press E for the starting point and O for the end point. Sorry. Okay, so let's press play again, and I don't know, let's make it last until here and press O, and this will bring the endpoint to the point you just selected. So now let's say that we want to for example make a cut right there on the second clip and drag the cut that we just made, that we want to place it on the end of our video. So let's press S. This will split the clip in two. So we can do like two things, like dragging to the end, right to the end with the mouse, but as you can see, this will leave a giant gap right where the clip was. Or we can just, so if we press Ctrl Z, this will go back as it was before, so it's the undo button. And you can also press this right there, but Ctrl Z is the shortcut. Or you can press Ctrl X. So as I was saying before, this will drag everything that was after at the starting point of the clip we just deleted, and then go to the last frame, to the end you need to go to the end of the clip and press Ctrl V. So here we have our clip. You can also do cuts with this scissor icon, but it's way faster with Ctrl X with the shortcut. So but yeah, we don't need that here, so we can easily delete that pressing delete on your keyboard. So these things works like copy and paste, but you're also deleting the clip. So as you can see, it will store it in memory because this button is white, so it means that here it has the video. So if we press paste again and again and again, it will paste the same clip over and over again, but we don't need them. So let's click undo and undo. And so if, for example, we want to place this clip, I don't know, in the middle of this one, we can just press paste right in the middle, right where we want to place the clip. And as you can see, this will insert the clip between this one and create two separate clips with this in between. But again, we don't need to do that, so let's press undo again. But yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.